Playwright Test Automation Essentials with JavaScript newsletter. Welcome to your Playwright journey. Dive into the essentials of test automation with Playwright and JavaScript. Whether you are a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, this newsletter covers the key concepts to get you started and advanced techniques to level up. Setup and basics. Install Playwright, npm install Playwright test. Install browsers, npx Playwright install. Basic test, import test expect from Playwright test. Test basic test, async page, await page.goto, example.com. Await expect page to have title example. Browser contexts and pages. Launch and manage browser instances. Const browser equal to await chromium.launch headless false. Const context equal to await browser.newContext. Const page equal to await context.newPage. Await page.goto example.com. Await browser.close. Selectors. Locate elements with various strategies. Page.getByRole button. Name submit. Page get by text. Welcome. Page locator. My ID. Page locator. Div contains text hello. Page locator. Div filter has text sample. Actions perform user interactions. Await page.click. Button submit. Await page.fill. Input name equal to email. Test example.com. Await page.type. Input name equal to email. Test example.com. Delay 100. Await page.press. Input name equal to email tab. Await page.select option. Select country USA. Await page.hover button menu. Await page.drag and drop. Source and target. Assertions. Verify conditions. Await expect page.locator h1 to have text welcome. Await expect page to have URL dashboard. Await expect page.locator error to be visible. Await expect page.locator input to have value test example.com. Waiting. Handle dynamic content. Await page.wait for selector loaded. Await page.wait for timeout 2000. Await page.wait for navigation. Multiple pages and pop-ups. Manage pop-ups. Const pop-up equal to await promise.all. Page wait for event pop-up. Page.click a open pop-up. Await pop-up dot wait for load state. Alerts and dialogues. Handle dialogues. Page.on dialog, async dialog, console, log dialog message. Await dialog.accept. File upload and download. File interactions. Await page.set input files. Input type to file, path to file text. Await download, save as, path to save file text. Screenshot and video. Capture visuals. Await page.screenshot, path, screenshot.png, full page, true. Context equal to await browser, new context, record video, directory, videos. Network interception and mocking. Intercept requests. Await page.route, API data, route.fulfill, status 200, content type, application JSON, body JSON, stringify, data, mocked data. Await page.route, PNG, route.abort. Authentication and storage state. Reuse auth state. Await context.storage state. Path auth.json. Test.use storage state auth.json. Device emulation geolocation. Emulate devices. Const devices equal to require playwright test. Const context equal to await browser.newContext. Devices iPhone 12. Accessibility testing. Check accessibility. Const violations equal to await page.accessibility snapshot. Expect violations to equal. API testing. Test APIs. Const response equal to await request.get https api.example.com data. Expect response.ok to be truthy. Advanced topics. Shadow DOM. Await page.locator myComponent.locator. CSS equal to button, click. Frames, await frame.locator, button submit, click. Debugging, await page.pause, CodeGen and PX Playwright CodeGen, http://example.com. Annotations test.skip, skipped test, async page, skipped. Reporters configure in Playwright config.js. Playwright tests, test.describe, parallel, group name, hooks test.before each, async page, await page.goto, example.com. And similarly the cleanup.